Well, hello, Tiger Rock families. Britt Harrell here over in Shreveport, coming at you again with another basic beginners follow-along style lesson. So let's go ahead and start off with our feet together, our hands by our side, and hand out. Excellent. Well, what we've got to do is before we get going today, we've got to go ahead and get our bodies warmed up and stretched out. So we're going to start off real nice and simple by taking our right toes, putting them in front, sparring stance, hands are up, saying, yeah, that's right. So whenever I say go, all we're going to do is we're going to practice on going front hand punch, then turn back hand punch, hands back up. So we're going 1, 2, hands back up. So from a sparring stance, that's a back stance where my front toes are pointing where I'm going, my back toes are towards the side, my hands are up, and my elbows are pointed forward. So all we're doing is front hand punch, turn those hips, back hand punch, hands back up. We're going to do this until I say stop. Are you ready? So hands are up, and begin. So go 1, 2, then reset. 1, 2, then reset. There we go. Good. Make sure I'm turning those hips with those punches. Boom, getting those punches firing all the way out there. I'm aiming, and I'm just going 1, 2, then reset. 1, 2, then reset. Using this to get that upper body warmed up just a little bit. And ready, switch other side, and go ahead. So same idea, going 1, 2, then hands back up. There we go, great guys. Boom, get those hands up. Boom, yeah, we worked on those punches last time. Worked on making sure those punches fired straight out in front of us, not to the side, not around, but in a straight line. There we go, good. Almost there, and time, great job. Well, now we're going to get our legs involved a little bit. So from our sparring stance here, right toes are back in front. We're going to go front kick, then 2 punches. Are we ready? So one more time. It's front kick, then punch, punch. Remember that front kick? I bend that knee, I extend out, and back it down. Ready? Let's get set with those hands up and begin. So front kick, 1, 2. There we go. Front kick, 1, 2. Good, guys. 2 punches, then front kick, boom, boom. Firing them out there each time. There we go. Keeping those hands up. Great. Looking awesome so far. Hands staying up. We're almost there. Boom, kick, land, 2 punches, and let's switch. Other side. Boom, 1, 2. Front kick, 1, 2. There we go. Boom, get that knee up, extending forward, then fire those 2 punches out there. Boom. Great, guys. Come on. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. We're almost there. We're very close. Good, good, good. We'll keep those hands up. Keep moving. And time right there. Well, great. Let's go ahead and finish warming and stretching out our body by starting our arm circles. Great job. And let's go the opposite direction. And from here, we're going to crisscross those arms. Great, guys. Good. Now we're going to pick those hands up and we're going to turn side to side. Turning those shoulders. Oh. Good, good, good. Now from here, we're going to spread those feet out. We're going to reach across our body, touching our toes. So left to right, right to left. There we go, guys. Great. All right, let's go ahead and have a seat for me. We're going to give our legs a hug because what we're going to do now is we're going to rock back and forth, kind of like a ball. So making sure that I'm keeping everything inside the ride, not letting my head touch the ground. My eyes are saying up. That way I'm just rolling back to my shoulders and then up. Now from here, we're going to put our feet on the floor. We're going to lay down. I'm going to turn sideways so we can see. We're going to lift our hips up towards the sky. Get that lower back stretched out a little bit. Great, guys. And down. Let's bring one knee into our chest. Other leg out straight. And now we're going to switch. Notice how that opposite foot is not touching the ground. Ready? Switch. Good. And switch. And now switch. We're hugging that knee in tight. Switch. And switch. And now switch. And switch again. From here, let's go ahead and sit up. And now we're going to spread our toes out. We're going to stretch down to our left side. And let's stretch down to our right side. Now we're going to take the same hand, reaching up and over. Great, guys. Now same hand, reaching up and over. Let's stretch both hands down. And now we'll stretch both hands down. From here, bringing our feet in for our butterfly stretch. Stretching down, trying to get our chest to our toes. Excellent. And now we're going to put our legs out in front, stretching down to our toes again. Good job, guys. And feet back out wide, stretching down to the middle. Well, all right, so let's go ahead and sit up. We're going to start sitting up, legs crosses our knees, because our very first thing we're working on today is a new kick. Our kick that we're working on is a crescent kick. So it's a kick that kind of draws a circle. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off practicing the circle on the ground first. So let's take our right hand, let's point it at the ground, and let's just, boom, draw a circle. Excellent. So we're going to do that again. So I'm going to the side and around. Boom. So big circle. The bigger the circle, the better this kick will be, the more effective this kick will be. Okay, let's do it one more time with our hand. Boom, big circle. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put our toes kind of off to the side. Now, I like to play pretend sometimes, so I like to pretend that there's a fire right here in front of me. All right, I can't put my foot in the fire because, well, then my foot's on fire, and that's not good for anything, right? So I'm going to put my hands on the mat, and I'm going to take that right foot big up and over, and let's bring it back around. And let's take that same right foot, boom, big up and over. Yeah, it's called our crescent kick. Can we say that? Yeah, let's say crescent kick. Good, guys. Boom, so big circle, crescent kick. There we go. Remember what we said, the bigger the circle, the better. We got a few more on the ground. Ready? Crescent kick. Excellent. Ready? 2 more. Crescent kick. Last one. Crescent kick. All right, well, let's go ahead and stand up because now what we're going to do is from our hands up, we're going to see if we can take that same leg and do our crescent kick just from a standing position. So we're going to bring it across our body, boom, and back down. There we go. So hands are up, ready, set, go. Crescent kick. Great. Ready? Crescent kick. Excellent. Lifting up. That leg stays straight, toes up towards the sky. Boom. Excellent job. If you're having a tough time remembering, oh, how does my foot go over? Well, you can use pretty much anything. I'm going to use my pillow real quick, right? My red pillow. You can actually set the pillow right here in front of you, and you can kind of start off to the side and practice on going over the pillow and back around. That way you're getting that full circle on your crescent kick. There we go. Good. I want you guys to keep practicing on it. So you have your hands up. You're showing me that crescent kick. Great, guys. Keep it up. Good, good, good. Boom. We're almost there. You've got about 5 seconds left. Keep practicing that crescent kick. Make sure those hands are staying up. Boom, circling around, and time right there. Well, great job, guys. So from here, I'm going to scoot my pillow out of the way. What we're going to do now is we've got a couple of different ways to throw kicks. We can throw them with our front leg. We can throw them with our back leg. We can throw them by stepping together. We can even spin with them. What we're going to start off with is we're going to start, now we're going to take that crescent kick, but we're going to start it behind us. So let's put our left toes in front. We're going to keep our hands up. All we're going to do now is we're going to take our back leg, which is our right leg, boom, crescent kick, and bring it all the way back to where it started. So you ready? So hands are up. Let's big circle, crescent kick. Great job. Let's go big circle, crescent kick. There we go. Big circle, crescent kick. Good, guys. Big circle, crescent kick. Notice it's starting all the way behind me. Boom, crescent kick. This is a number 2 or a back leg crescent kick. So hands are up. Boom, and crescent kick. Whoa, I lost my balance. Kick too hard. Ready? And crescent kick. Good. Keep practicing on that. Ready? Show me that big crescent kick. Great. Good deal, good deal. You guys are doing awesome so far. Keep it up. And ready, time. You know what? Just for fun, let's switch our feet. Now we're going to use our new toes, our right toes. And ready? Crescent kick. I'm sorry, those are your left toes. Boom, we're going to lift up. And crescent kick. So again, it's starting behind. It comes all the way across my body and back around. There we go. Good. Show me that crescent kick. Good. You keep going. Keeping those hands up. Yeah, back leg. Big circle. The bigger the circle, the better that crescent kick's going to be. Come on, you guys got it. Got about 5 seconds left. Good, good, good. And ready, set, time. Awesome job. Well, we're going to take that crescent kick and we're going to pin it. Go, boop. Because we're going to come back to it here in just a little bit. All right, but before we get to our crescent kick, what we got to work on next is let's think of some of the techniques we've already learned. We've learned how to do high blocks. We've learned how to do knife hand strikes. We learned how to do some punches. Next up, we're going to start with a block that's going to kind of protect our head a little bit. It's called an inner form block. So our inner form block, we sometimes also call our middle block because, well, it goes in the middle, right? If our high block goes over our head, our low block goes right there down by our tummy. Our middle block is kind of, boom, right there in the middle. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start off with our feet just kind of relaxed, right? We're going to stack our arms. I have my right hand on top, my left hand on bottom. Now this bottom hand is going to come up, boom, and middle block. Good, just right there. I want it in front of me, not going all the way to the side. I want it in front of me because, well, my eyes are forward. So we're going to stack again, middle block. Great, guys. Ready? Let's stack those arms and middle block. Good. From here, let's stack those arms, middle block. There we go. Great job. This is even a block that we could use to protect ourselves from a crescent kick, right? Boom, middle block. Excellent. Now from here, let's do a couple more with me. Ready? Stack. Go. Great. Let's see how fast we can make it. Ready? Boom. There it is. Ready? One more. Ready? Excellent job. Give yourselves 2 claps. Well, great. From here, before we go any further, I think it's a good idea to go ahead and get some push-ups in, right? Build up our body, build up our strength. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a nice, easy set of push-ups. Remember those push-ups? You're starting here. You're going all the way down, all the way back up. You're going to keep doing those until I say stop. Are you guys ready? Let's get set and go. Good. Let's fire them all the way down, all the way back up. You guys can do it. Let's keep moving. Come on. You guys got it. There we go. It may be a little bit difficult, but that's okay. We're right now we're trying to challenge ourselves, right? Trying to push ourselves to be our best version possible. Come on. You got it. You're almost there. And ready, time. Great job, guys. Go ahead and stand up. You know, since you did so awesome, let's go knuckle bumps. Boom. Well, from here, what we're going to do now is we're going to bring that inner form block, but we're going to add some moves before it, okay? So for this, I'm going to actually be moving the same way that you guys are. So in our sitting stance, boom, facing towards the camera. We're going to stack our arms and knife head strike from before. Yeah, that's right. Remember that knife head strike? I stack and fire it out there. So from here, I've got my right side in front. I'm going knife head strike. Good. Just for fun, let's step together. Knife head strike again. Now we're going to stack. Bring that inner form block. 2 strong punches. Excellent job. Now, if you need to reset, you can. Or if you've got enough room, you can just stay right here because we're going to do it all over again. Ready? Stack. Knife head strike. Let's step together. Knife head strike. From here, stack. Inner form block, and we're off to the side now. 2 strong punches. Great, guys. Yeah, we practiced on this section last class. This is the kind of the end section of our form, right? Remember our form, that's that pattern of moves we put together for testings and tournaments and just overall artistic improvement to where we can see our journey from white all the way up to black belt through our ability to perform these moves, super sharp, super strong, things along those lines, right? So here, we're in our sitting stance one more time. Let's show me knife head strike. Step together, knife head strike. Step, inner form block, 2 punches. Great job. Well, here's what I'm thinking. Now we're going to take that and we're going to add on the rest of it. So we're going to go through a full segment of our form. Now, this week we tend to talk about power a little bit, right? It's our commit week. Okay, we talked about choose earlier this training cycle. Now we're on commit. And we know commit, the way I've got to commit to each move is I can't hold anything back. So every move I do is as fast and as strong as I can because I know that I'm putting everything I have into it. All right, so we're going to see if we can start from the very beginning and make all of our moves as strong as possible. So we're going to start in a ready stance right here facing the same direction as I am. We're going to take our left toes. You're going to step. Boom, fire that fast high block. Yeah, there we go. Let's put our feet back together. Right side. Boom, another super fast high block. We're going to stack those arms. Step. Boom, a super quick low block. Now I'm going to step belly sideways. 2 low blocks. From here, my hands are up, lifting up. Side kick. Land, knife hand strike. Great, let's step together. Knife hand strike again. From here, we're going to stack those arms. Inner form block. 2 fast punches. Great, and let's go back to our spot where we began. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to do that one more time with me. Then after that, I'm going to see if I can kind of count the moves for you. All right, so ready, stance. Let's take our left toe. Should be step and high block. Great. Feet back together. High block again. We're going to stack our arms. Low block. Left side's in front now. Step belly sideways. 2 low blocks. Hands are up. Side kick. Land. Knife hand strike. Step together. Knife hand strike again. We're going to stack inner form block. 2 fast punches. Great job. All right, so let's head on back. So now what we're going to do is we're going to see if you can do this with just me saying the moves. So let's start our ready stance. Let's go left side, high block. Great. Let's put our feet back together. Right side, high block again. Good. Let's stack our arms and low block towards me. Excellent. Let's go belly sideways, 2 low blocks. Now from here, we're sideways. We get our hands up. Let's show me side kick and chop with that front side. Good. Let's step together, chop again. Now our feet, they can't move anymore. We're going to stack our arms, inner form block. And now right, left punches. Excellent job. Let's hustle back. Man, give yourselves 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Well, from here, let's do it one more time with me before we switch over and we pull that crescent kick from before and bring it back out for our next thing. So ready, stance. Let's show me left side and high block for 1. Great. Feet back together. Right side for 2. Let's step back together, stack, low block for 3. Let's turn our belly sideways, 2 low blocks for 4. Now we've got our hands up. Show me side kick and knife hand. That's number 5. Great. Let's step together for another knife hand for 6. Excellent. Show me big, strong inner form block for 7. And 2 strong punches for 8. Boom. Excellent job. Let's give me a big high five. Boom. Super. Well, from here, before we bring back that crescent kick, I want to go ahead and make our tummy muscles a little bit stronger. So let's lie down on the mat for me. you're going to have your hands either on your ears or on the mat or on the ground. Whenever I say go, you're going to do a set of sit-ups, like all the way down, sitting all the way up. Are you ready? You are? Okay, great. Let's get set and go. Boom, let's see it. So you're all the way down, all the way back up. Making sure those feet are staying on the mat. Come on, you guys got it. Good, good, good. Let's keep it up. Let's keep it up. You're looking good so far. Come on. We are almost there, guys. You have 5 seconds left. Come on. Get ready. And time right there. Well, great, guys. So from here, what we're going to do now is we're going to bring back 2 things. All right, so earlier in our warm-up, we practiced on going front kick 2 punches. After we stretched out, we practiced on that back leg crescent kick. So that's actually the drill we're going to do real quick, okay? After doing it a couple of times, we're actually going to see if we can add a bonus move at the very end. All right, and we'll see what that's about. All right, so let's start off with our hands are up. I'm starting with my right leg in front. All right, let's use those right toes. Should be front kick, land, front hand, back hand. Now use that back leg, crescent kick, and yeah, it's going to land all the way behind us. Are you ready? Let's try again. Show me front kick, 1, 2, crescent kick back around. Great, guys. So I'm going forward, straight punch, then bring it around for the crescent kick. Excellent. Let's go front kick, 1, 2, crescent kick. Good. Notice my hands are staying up. So front kick, 1, 2, hands back up for my crescent kick. Good. Let's go front kick, 1, 2, crescent kick. Good. By yourself this time. Show me front kick, 1, 2, big crescent kick. There we go. Let's do it again. Front kick, 1, 2, big crescent kick. Let's do one more. Ready? Front kick, 1, 2, hands up, big crescent kick. Well, great, guys. Let's go ahead and from here, switch our feet. So from our sparring stance, new side in front now. Let's go. Front kick, 1, 2, back leg, crescent kick. Good. So front kick, 1, 2, boom, with that big crescent kick coming around. Ready? Front kick, 1, 2, big crescent kick. There it is. So front leg, front hand, back leg around. Good. Ready? Front kick, 1, 2, crescent kick. Yeah, this is all you right now. Go ahead. So front kick, 2 punches. Boom, big crescent kick. Excellent job, guys. Ready? Front kick, 2 punches, big crescent kick. We've got a few more. Ready? Front kick, 2 punches, big crescent kick. Last one. Front kick, 2 punches, big crescent kick. Well, excellent job, guys. Man, we're looking sharp. So who's ready to add the bonus move? Can you say, me, sir? Great. So here, I want you to watch first, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another back leg crescent kick, but instead of going forward and crescent kicking, we're going to see if we can turn backwards and then crescent kick and land it behind us. Now for this, I'm going to face the same direction that you guys face, okay? So let's start with our left toes in front. Our hands are up. We're going to turn all the way so our eyes are back towards the front. Now use that right leg, crescent kick, and bring it back around. Excellent. So there's a little trick that you can use. Let's take our back hand. Let's turn and point it in front of us. So you see I'm pointing my hand. Now I'm going to use that same foot. Boom, kick underneath my finger. Great, guys. So hands are up. Let's turn and point, kick underneath my finger. So just so you can see it, I want you to watch first. So I'm facing this way. I'm turning and pointing, and then I lift my leg up for my kick. So I'm turning backwards and then crescent kicking. So hands are up. Are you ready? Let's go. Turn backwards, crescent kick. Great, guys. So let's try it again. So let's turn backwards, crescent kick. Good. Take it at your speed. Some of us may need to go fast. Some of us may have to go a little bit slower. It's completely up to you. All right, let's practice 3 more of these. Are you ready? Let's go. 1. Good. Ready. 2. Boom. 1 more. Eyes around. 4, 3. Well, excellent job today, guys. We look super sharp. Hope you guys had a little bit of fun with that challenge segment right there at the end. I look forward to seeing you guys back. Remember, we've got our Zoom lessons, we've got our Facebook Live, and of course the videos we're putting up on YouTube. I hope you guys have an excellent rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you guys the next time we're on the mat. Bye-bye, guys.